Ciao Tesla. Today I have a new product from Yeslak, and they sent me a bunch of things. The first one is the side pockets, and then they sent me some cabin filter and the bioweapon HEPA filter for the Frunk. So today I'm going to install the side pockets, and I'm going to show you what they are. Now, if you want to get these products for 1 week, you can get it for 25% off. And using the coupon code CHAOTESLA25. I'm going to put everything in the description so you can check it out. And these are the side pockets. So let me unwrap them. There are 4, each one for each door. Okay, so this is one. I need to figure out where they just go. And I'm going to tell you why I like this ones. I have some covers for the bottom pockets, but not for everything. So let me see. So these 2 are a pair, and then these 2. Let me see. So this goes like this. So this goes on the left, this goes on the right, and so like this, left and right. Okay. So I need to figure out which one is which. Let's see. So let's bring these 2 on the sides here. My guess is that the longer one goes in the front and the smaller one goes in the back. So let me see. Yeah, it should be like this. Okay. So let me first remove the ones that I have. And the thing is that these side pockets from Yeslak, they cover even the liner compared to this one. It's just at the bottom. But what I like is that if you notice, I had some trouble to remove it. And if you remember, I did a video of this. There's the hook to unlock the door, unlatch the door when there is no power. So instead with this guys, okay. And you see they have Velcro, so they can attach to the liner on the sides. So, and that's it. I mean, it was incredibly easy. Also, they have the, let me see. Oh, I can recut this. You see? It has the cut for that hook. So I can cut it this, and becomes like a small door opening to pull the latch when there is no battery in case of emergency. I love this. This is a great design. Okay, I'm going to do that later on. Let's do the front one. Yeah, let's do the front one. And I remove the older one. You see, this one, and let's put this guy in. Yeah, that's it. Oh my God, it's incredible easy. And there is the Velcro, so you attach it to the side. I need to clean a bit the car. And it fits perfectly. Nice, very nice. Let's do the other ones. So let's take this 2. And let's this do. Okay, so let's remove the older one. And you see, it's a bit odd to remove it. So in case of emergency, that thing is a pain. So here is the hook. And which one? This is the front one, and this is the bottom, the back one. Okay, if you see, notice there is this, you can cut here, inside, here. And this becomes the opening for pulling that latch. That's a great design. I'm going to do it later on. You know, I like it this. And then you put it inside like this. From the side. And then you touch the Velcro. And this cover goes on top of it. Okay, let me put this guy here too. Nice, very cool. It stays in place, doesn't move. Nice, very nice. Let's do the last one in the front. Okay, I have a bunch of stuff here. Sorry. Okay, you see? Let me remove this stuff from here. A bunch of trash, of course. And you see how difficult it is to remove it? Okay, good. Okay, need to clean a bit. And then let's install this guy. You pull in, and that's it. So as I mentioned, there is lines for cutting the hole for the emergency. So let's remove the this cover. One hand is a bit difficult. Okay, that's it. And let's cut the holes. Let me see if I find a place to place the camera. Here. Shouldn't be difficult. Let me put a cover here so I don't cut it. Maybe I'll do it from the bottom. No. Okay, so let's do it from here. Okay, this goes very, very easy, which is good. And that's it. And then on the top side. Okay. Let's see if on the top there. Okay. And down here, and that's it. And here on the corner. Okay, so I cut this. Let's see if it fits correctly, if I like it or if I don't like it. So to put it back in, it's very easy. Touch the Velcro, and there is this cover. And then to pull up, it's like this, and there is the hook. Yeah, and the hook. Can you see it? Yeah, there is the hook. So I can pull up. So this is a one way, or otherwise, of course, you can pull everything out and do the same thing and pull the hook. I'm going to do the other one, and it's pretty cool. Change the HEPA filters in the cabin, which is down there and in the front. So subscribe, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.